Hey guys, there's a new skincare ingredient making headwaves in Oriental skincare, namely Korean beauty products. The ingredient is green tea. So in this video, I'll be explaining what are the benefits of using green tea in your daily skincare routine and what are the top 5 green tea skincare products that you should use. Now before we continue with the video, I would like you guys to help smash the subscribe button. It will actually help the YouTube algorithm recognize our channel as a skincare education channel. And on top of that, you'll be recommended other forms of skincare education channels as well. Good day ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we educate and debunk skincare myths. Now over the past few years, green tea has been making headlines. At first, green tea is touted to be an excellent drink because it will help reverse aging. But more and more often, now we are seeing green tea incorporated into our skincare. In this video, we'll be talking about whether the green tea hype is real, what are the benefits of using green tea skincare ingredient in your skin routine, and what are the top 5 products that you can purchase that contains green tea from your nearest drugstore. Now first, a little bit of history about green tea. Green tea are from the leaves of a plant called Camellia sinensis. The leaves are then plucked and dried, and it's been used for thousands of years to be brewed into tea like black tea or oolong tea. Now how the green tea is being prepared, it's usually pan-fried and then dried out. Now because it's pan-fried and dried out and does not undergo any sort of fermentation process, it contains high concentration of polyphenols. Now polyphenols itself is great for internal health and great for your skin's health. Green tea has been long touted to be one of the secret to having a long, healthy life because it is both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. In parts of Japan and Korea, they drink it on a daily basis in order to stay healthy. Even though green tea has a little bit of caffeine inside, green tea is actually safe to be consumed even if you have heart issues. Now that's for your general health. How about the benefits of using green tea in skincare? Now first of all, green tea has great anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a form of polyphenols called catechins. Catechins help your skin reduce skin irritation and helps reduce swelling. The anti-inflammatory effects of green tea ingredients will help reduce those issues. Green tea also has very potent antibacterial properties. The antibacterial properties due to the polyphenols in green tea can help reduce active infections. So if you're suffering from very mild acne issues, which does not actually require antibiotics, you can actually use green tea to disinfect your skin. Using something like a green tea cleanser or a green tea moisturizer on a regular basis will help reduce and unclog the pores which are causing your acne issues. Pop quiz time! Other than green tea, what are the skincare ingredients that you know contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties? Let us know in the comments below. Now other than polyphenols in green tea also contains vitamin B2 and vitamin E. Vitamin B2 helps maintain and improve your collagen's health. So your skin's collagen will last much longer, and at the same time, new collagen will grow at a quicker pace. Vitamin E also helps with new cell growth. It means that you get not only newer collagen but as well as a newer skin. Now we did mention earlier, green tea contains a little bit of caffeine. So the caffeine in green tea will be able to shrink blood vessels, and especially if you're suffering from dark eye circles. Now there is a segment of people with dark eye circles whereby the dark eye circles are caused by inflamed or enlarged blood vessels. So the caffeine in green tea products will be able to reduce your dark eye circle issues. And last of all, green tea contains a potent antioxidant called EGCG. EGCG is one of the new molecules in skincare being recruited to fight against aging. Hence, it's anti-aging and fight against UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to UV rays will actually damage your skin's DNA. So the antioxidant properties in green tea will help reverse the damage being caused by UV radiation. Now that you know what are the benefits of using green tea in your skincare on a daily basis, here are the top 5 skincare that you should look for that contains green tea. First up, we have a green tea cleanser. Now this is the Joan Green Tea Fresh Foaming Cleanser. Now one of the good things that I like about this particular cleanser is it does not actually contain any SLS. What we have here is the bottle itself comes with a foamer. That means without any sort of sulfates in the cleanser, foam is created naturally. So when you press on the plunger, what happens is the cleanser actually goes up into the cap and air is then further mixed into the cleanser, creating that foamy condition. Now first up, this is a non-irritating cleanser that does not contain SLS and does not contain any alcohol. It also does not contain any fragrance. However, if you pump it up and you actually smell it, yes, it is actually very fragrant. And this is due to the fact that it contains 99 botanical extracts. However, one of the main core ingredients is the green tea extract in the cleanser, which will help soothe your skin and at the same time exfoliate dead skin cells. So if you have an acne-prone skin and you're looking for a cleanser that does not contain something which contains beta-hydroxy acid, you could look at something like a green tea cleanser. Now, however, most of the time, green tea cleansers can actually be a little bit drying to your skin. Hence, after using the cleanser, you should always moisturize. Now, if you're looking for a hydrating toner that contains green tea, look no further. Here, we have the Innisfree Green Tea Toner. Now, this particular toner consists of 80% green tea extract. On top of just green tea, it also consists of Centella asiatica. Now, Centella asiatica is one of the top Korean skincare ingredients which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So when you mix Centella asiatica with green tea, you have a superb skincare product which both soothe your skin's irritation and at the same time reverse damage caused by UV radiation. Now what else it has inside? It has something called willow bark extract. Willow bark extract can actually control sebum production. However, too much willow bark extract can actually dry your skin. So what else it has inside is hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin after it exfoliates your skin. It also contains beta-glucans and licorice to help skin brightening. So this toner is great for someone with acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, or even combination skin. It will be able to help exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog your pores, and at the same time repair and rehydrate your skin. Now, if like me, you like serums, here is a green tea serum for you. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. Now the reason why it's called a green tea seed is because the green tea extracts in this serum is both taken from the leaf and green tea seeds itself. It means that it contains high concentration of polyphenols which has that great antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The way they extract the green tea extracts is a little bit different from other competitors. Their fresh green tea 2.0 extraction method ensures that the green tea polyphenols is 3.5 times more than traditional green tea extracts. This means that it will help create a stronger moisturizing factor, whereby the serum itself, it's a slightly thicker consistency. It means that you'll be able to not only hydrate your skin, but create a very thin barrier to prevent transepidermal water loss. Now what's good about this serum is it's free from parabens, mineral oil, and other additives. This serum is great for someone suffering from sensitive skin and dry skin. Now, if you're worried that it might actually clog your pores due to its high viscosity, now you don't have to worry because it does not contain mineral oil. Instead, it contains something called green tea oil. But if you're looking for a serum that does not feel sticky or doesn't feel oily on your skin, you can look for this particular serum. This is the Beauty of Joseon Calming Serum that has green tea and panthenol. This serum consists of 76% green tea extract, but on top of it, it also contains other good skincare ingredients. Accompanying it is mugwort extract. Mugwort is an anti-inflammatory, natural skincare ingredient to reduce inflammation. It also helps to reduce the blemishes on your skin. Panthenol, otherwise known as vitamin B5, is one of the core ingredients to rebuild back your skin barrier and prevent additional loss or additional thinning of your skin barrier. It also contains ingredients like Centella asiatica and vitamin C as well. So if you're suffering from blemishes or even aging skin, this is one of the serums that you might want to use on a daily basis. However, if you're looking for a green tea moisturizer, the next product might be interesting for you. But this is the Innisfree Green Tea Balancing Cream EX. This cream contains up to 70% green tea extracts, and it also contains betaine. Betaine is made from beetroot or sugar and is meant to be a great hydrator. Now, paired together with the shea butter and amino acids inside, this moisturizer is great for someone with dry and sensitive skin. So if you have an issue with a thin skin barrier or dry skin, you want to use this particular moisturizer on a nightly basis. Now, this particular product is also free from parabens, free from alcohol, and at the same time, free from mineral oil. So if you're someone above the age of 40s and you're looking for a product to hydrate your skin and at the same time helps with antioxidant, you can look into a moisturizer like this. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. If you know any other green tea products, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and remember to turn on the bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. And until next time, I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor. Remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.